mashallah, quickly, because I can see you guys seem to be tired. But if the teacher is tired and the student is tired, that means the student is lazy. Okay? This is one of the complex questions you find in algebra. It involves a lot of manipulation. Okay? So I'm going to give you the fundamentals. Fundamental, you work from there. Okay? First thing, we're going to do cross multiplication and then addition or subtraction of fractions, yes? Algebraic fractions. Now, let's say you have something like this. 5x over 6 is equal to 5. Now, to solve this type of equation, you always make sure there's one fraction here, there's one number here, or there's a fraction. Okay? Then you have to what you call cross multiply. Cross multiply. That's what we used to do in Africa. Okay? That's one way of doing it. Second way is eliminate the 6, the fraction. That's what I showed you in the previous videos, yes? And if you want to do that, you have to multiply both sides by the denominator. Both sides by 6. I don't know which one is easier for you. Now, if eliminate by this method, we are going to say 6 times 6, that will be 1 in it. 6 will cancel 6, that will be 1. So we left with 5x here in it. Is equal to 5 times 6 is 30. So therefore, x is equal to 30 divided by 5. X is equal to 6. Now let's see here. 5x over 6 is equal to 5. Now, across multiplication, we multiply that by that, we multiply that by that. But we have to put over 1 here. So it will look like this. When you do it, 5 over 6 is equal to 5 over 1. 5 over 1 is the same thing as 5 in it. It does not change anything. So you cross multiply. Multiply that by that, multiply that by that. But make sure that your 5 remain on the left hand side. 5x times 1 is 5x in it. And you have equals to sign. 6 times 5 is equal to. Did we not come over the same thing here? Yeah. Yes. But you make sure that you have equal sign in the middle between two fractions. Let's look at the ones. Some you need to manipulation first before you do it. Okay? Look at this. X over 5 minus 5 is equal to 7. What do you guys think? Are we going to apply our cross multiplication?
No.
No. Why?
Because there's minus 5 there.
Exactly. So we have to manipulate it first. So we move 5 over the equal sign in it. You are left 5 over x in the other side. 7 plus 5 in it. X over 5 is equal to 12. Yes, both ways. Yes, but even here, if you want, you can. 5 is the denominator. You can eliminate the 5 by multiply everything by 5. So now we can cross multiply. X is equal to 5 times 6 in it. 5 times 12, yes. X is equal to 60. Now, if you had done that here, yes, multiply everything by 5. 5 times x over 5 times 5 will be how much? X 5 cancel is an x in it. So we are going to be x minus 5 times minus this will be minus 35 in it. It's equal to 25, sorry. 25. 5 times is equal to 35. So x is equal to, move this we can here, 35 plus 25. X is equal to 60. Is it not the same? Yes. Huh? Yes, it's the same. Okay. So it depends on how smart you are. You can easily manipulate. Now let's look at even more difficult questions. Now look at this. X plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 5. What do you guys think? Yes. Now we can see, although this is x plus 2, but there's a fraction here, a whole fraction in it. And there's a number here in it. Yes, but we can cross multiply, but we can also eliminate 2 in it. Multiply every side by 2. Now if you cross multiply, you put over 1 here, this is going to multiply that one in it. 3 plus x times 1 will be 3 plus, yes, 5 times 2 equal to 10 in it. And if we multiply both sides by 2, this will cancel that in it. So we are going to get x plus 3 is equal this time to equal to 10. Don't we come to the same? Yes. So basically x is equal to 10 minus 3. X is equal to 7. Huh, Ali? Don't look to say, you have to work hard. If you GCS, you want to have an A star, ask anybody who has A star, how many hours they work a day. You have to work very, very hard. Look, there's a limit a teacher can teach you. The rest you have to do it yourself. The rest is all basically the same type of manipulation, okay? You said W over 3 plus 10 is equal to 5. Okay? W over 3 plus, so the same thing. What do we do? Over the equation is, so W over 3 is equal to 5 minus 10.
It's 4, not 5. It's equals to 4, not 5.
It's equal to 4. Oh, equal to 4. Okay. It's equal to 4. Okay. So W over 3 is equal to minus 6. Now we can cross multiply, or you multiply both sides by 3 in it. Both sides by 3. So W is equal to minus 18. Yes. Now as we move on, look at this. 5t plus 3 over 4. 5t over is equal to 1. That means a number times 5 plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So straight away we can cross multiply or multiply both sides by 4 in it. So when we cross multiply, 4 times 1 is at this time that in it. Here will be 5t plus 3 is equal to 4. 5t is equal to 4 minus 3. Okay, am I going fast? Then 5t is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 over, if you put 1 over 5 there, okay, 5 times 1 over 5 plus 3 in it. Okay, 5 times 5, 5 into 5 is 1. Okay, 1. 1 plus this is 4. 4 over 4 is equal to 1. Anything difficult here? Yes. If you find anything difficult, please let me know. Okay. Now, this is the simplest form of this type of equation. Ask Alima. This is the basic type of algebraic fractions. Okay. Now, see. More difficult one, a bit difficult one. Before we do our 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to x over 2. You can cross multiply it. You can cross multiply it. When you this by this and that by that. Or you multiply both sides by what? No. Because if you put 3, you cannot eliminate. Yes. So what do we do?
Multiply both sides by 2.
No. Common factor. Common? No. Common? Multiple. What is a common multiple? 6. Yes, 6. Okay. But before you do that, multiply both sides by. Okay. Cross multiply it. So this will 2 into 2x minus 1. And this will be 3 times s in it. 3 times x. So you see, this will be 4x minus 2 is equal to 6x. Move both sides in it.
3x.
Oh, 3x, sorry. 3x. Okay. So what do we do? 4x minus 3x is equal to 3 plus 2 in it. Sorry, close 3, yeah. Move 2 over 1 in it. So x is equal to 2. Put 2 here, 2 times, this is 4, 4 minus this is 3, 3 over, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus this is 3, okay, 3 by 3 is 1, 2 over 2 is 1. So they are equal to each other. Okay. Now, you can do the same thing, all these ones. Over 4 is equal to 2x over 3. And there are instances where you will have to get both. Still, we are doing the basic ones. Ali, if you don't understand, if you guys don't understand anything, tell me. Okay, I will just stop there and I'll explain more. Over 2 is equal to 3 minus x over 3. Now, there you are. Still, we are doing cross multiplication, yes. We are not doing anything except cross multiplication. Okay? If you cross multiply, this multiplying that and this multiplying that. So this will be 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 times 2x in it. So you multiply it out, 3 times this with 3x plus 3 is equal to 8x in it. So move this one. So 3 is equal to 8x minus 3x in it. So 5x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 5. And if you put it there, you get that. Now this thing, the same thing, we are doing the same thing in it. We are cross multiplying, so it will be 3 into 1 minus x is equal to 2 into 3 minus x. So this times this, 1 is 3 minus 3x is equal to 6 minus 2x. So what do we do? Which one you move? That's in it. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 2x plus 3x. Minus 3 is equal to oh yeah, x. Yeah, so x equal to minus 3. Okay? How are we? Fine. Okay. Fine. Now let's look at where you have to add. Okay? Algebraic fractions where you have to add. Action. Okay. Now when we have fractions, boys, look at it. What do we do?
We find a
common multiply. Yeah. So common multiply is this will go into that time, this will go, or you multiply the 2. Because if you have 2 over 7 plus 3 over 8, it might be difficult to find a common multiply, yes? But you just divide between it. 7 times 8. Huh? 56 in it. That's right. So this will go into that time, and this will go into that times in it. We will multiply the term together. Okay. So we are going to say 2 into 3, how many times? 3 times 1 is like 3 times 1 in it, plus in the middle. 3 into 6, 2 times 2 in it. We got 2 multiplied, yes? So up here we got 3 plus 4 over 6 in it. That will be 7 over 6. Look at here. 3 into this 8 times, yes? 8 times 2, yes? Plus this got 7 times 3 in it. That will equal to how much? 16 plus 21 in it. All over 56. That is equal to 37 divided by 56. Now this is what we are going to apply in, hence the word algebraic fraction in it. Okay, algebra, finding the value of x or y or whatever, but involving fractions, okay? That's what you call algebraic fractions. Now, let's look at this. X plus 6 plus 2x plus 3. How do you solve this?
They could both go to 6.
They all go to 6 in it. So 6. 6 into 6, how many times? 1 times x in it. Plus in the middle. 3 into this, 2 times this. Okay? So you're going to have x plus 4x over 6 in it. That is equal to 5x divided by 6. Imagine I have 2 over x plus x over 5. So, what are you going to do? What is the common multiple?
5x.
5x. That's what I said. You do multiply the 2. Honey? Yes. That's what I said. If you cannot find the common multiple, you also multiply the 2. So 5x. Basically, 5x will go to that time. That will go to that time. 5 into 5x is 5. 5 times 2 times 5 in it, or 5 times 2 in it, plus 5 into 5x is x. X times x in it. X times x. Hence, you are with 10 plus x squared over 5x. That is your answer, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Now let's look at complex ones which involve subtraction. All these are 4x over 3. 4x over 3 minus. I know you guys are tired, but x over 4. What do you do? What do you do? The common multiple will be multiply the 2 to 12 in it. Yes. So 3 times 3 into 12, that in it. 3 times 4x. Your minus in the middle. 4 into 12, how many times? 3 times x in it. X in the top there, in it. So that is equal to 12x minus 3x all over 12, which is 9x over 12. So basically that is 3 over 4x. How do I get 3 over 4x? Simplification, okay? Yes. Now, basically, gentlemen, let's look at more difficult one. 1 over 4x, 1 over 3x. How do we do that? So it's plus. The common multiple will be 12x, 12x in it. Not squared, 12x, yes? Because they can all go to 12x in it. 4 into 12x, 12x divided by 4x, x cancel x. 4 into 12, how many times? 3 times. 3 times 1 will be 3. 3x into 12 will be 4 times in it. 4 times 1 will be 4. So this will be 7 over 12x. So don't be fooled by that, yeah? Some people will put x squared and that will be wrong. Okay? Shall we do more examples? Now, there's a lot on this to be done. Okay? Algebraic fraction, there's a lot to be done. A more difficult examples, because there's a lot to do on the simplifications, algebraic fractions. Now, let's look at more complex ones. What about if you have 2x plus 2 over 3 plus x over 6x? What are you going to do? Times the denominator, yes. That will be 18x. This will go that time. That will go this time, innit? 3 will go how many times? 6x in it. So 6x.
Oh yeah, they can both go.
Sorry, they can both go to 6. Sorry, 6x. Sorry, they can go both 6x. So 3 into that will be how many x? 2x in it. 2x times all that in it. This will go how many times? 1 in it. X. X times 1. So multiply out in it. This will be 4x squared plus 4x plus x all over 6x. What can go into? No, 2 can go into that. Or you put an x outside in it. 4x plus 4 plus yeah, plus 1 in it. You should have added that one in it. That will be 5x, sorry. 4x plus 5x in it. The 4x squared plus 5x divided by 6. That is your answer. Okay? That is your answer. That is your answer.
6x at the bottom.
You have to move on. You have to move on quickly for 30 minutes. We finish 30 minutes. Now let's look at 1 plus 1 over x. Difficult one. 1 plus x plus 4. And remember, you have to know this thing. Okay? You have to know this thing. Plus 1 over x plus 5. What do you think? Let me put 2 here so that they are different. Okay? And let me put minus here. Minus. Okay? So the LCM will be?
X plus
4 times x plus 5.
Let me make this 3. So this will go that time. This will go that time, innit? So this will go this time, innit? Then times 3. 3 into x plus 5. The minus in the middle, innit? This will go that time, innit? That times 2 into x plus 4. Ali, we have to do a lot of this. So you have to do a lot of homework. So we sort this out, yes? Okay? 3 into this will 3x plus 15. Minus 2 times x will be minus 2x in it. But minus 2 times 8 will be minus 8, yeah? All over x plus 4 into x plus 5. So we set that up. 3x minus 2x is how much? X. 15 minus 8 is? 7, yes? Plus 7. Divide by x plus 4 into x plus 5. That's your answer. Ali? We have to do more examples. When we do more and more examples, then you will understand. Okay? 3 over x plus 1 minus 4 over x minus 1. Yes. What do you think? They both going to? Your LCA will be multiplication of the 2. Okay? Your LCM will be, you multiply the 2. Don't sleep. This will go that time, that will go that time in it. So if you want, you can put x minus 1 here in the bracket, and you put x plus 1 here in the bracket, in it. Okay? So this will go for that, that will go for that in it. Okay? Because this will go that time and multiply by that one in it. 3. This go that time, multiply by 4, you put your minus in the middle. That's it. Same thing. We put this here, we put that here, multiply by, if each one multiply by its number on the top. Yeah. Simple. Then you sort out the up. Up will be 3x minus 3 minus 4x minus 4 in it. Because minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 in it. Yes. And that will how much? 3x minus 4x will be?
Minus 1x.
Minus x, yes? Minus 3 minus 7 in it. All divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1. Do you guys understand?
Yep.
Can we do some questions in the private?
Yeah.
Now, our next topic, of course, will be manipulation. Manipulation, how we manipulate. Okay? How we manipulate. Now, I'm going to do the last one, then you do the other ones off camera. Okay? Ali Mohammed. Now, let's look at a more difficult question. Remember, this is the last part of it will be manipulation. Plus x over 2 minus 3x over 4. They can give you that. They can give you 7 minus 2 minus 4 over x minus 1. Okay? They can give you 1 over 2x minus 3. Most of I don't sleep here. Over 2x plus 3. Okay? They can give you 5 over 2p plus 1 over p. And there's a dangerous one here. X over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. There's even more dangerous ones here, so some of them you do it off the camera. Okay? Now let's look at this quickly. Okay? Now, if you look at these things here, what is the common multiple? Is 1/3 plus half plus 3 over 4 in it? Yeah, minus 3 over 4. So both mass, what we deal with first is we deal with bracket force in it. Addition comes first, yes. The common factor is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 into the, you put your 2x here, put your plus in the middle and your x here. I mean the ones on the top. 3 into this will be 2 times in it. Times 2, into the 3 times 3. Basically, this is 4x plus this and this 3x all over 6. So that is 7x over 6. Look at that one. What they have here is your highest multiple factor, highest common factor is multiply the 2 together. Yes? Yes. So this will go that time, that will go that time, yes. So this will go this time, you put your 6 minus 1 here, times 7 in it. Minus in the middle. But have we finished this?
No.
The highest common factor is 12 in it. Yes, 6 can go into 12 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 7x minus 3. 4 can go how many times? 3 times, yes. 3 times 3x. That will be how many? 14x minus how many x? 9x divided by 12. Is how much? 5x divided by 12. That's the answer. So this one come here. I said this will go that time and that will go that time with it. So 2x into this fraction, it will be x minus time. X minus times 7 in it. So this one, put your minus in the middle. This one will go that time, okay? Then multiply by 4 up in it. Yes? So that will become 7x minus 7. Minus 4 times x is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8 in it. Yes? So 7x minus 4x is how much? 3. Listen here, Mustafa. Minus 7 plus 8 is plus 1. Divide by x minus 2 into x minus 1. That's your answer. That's your answer. Now look at this one. Can you go by yourselves? 3 into x plus 3. That is your LCM, yes? That will go that time. So that will be 2x over this is 2x plus 3. The top is 1 plus 1 into 2x minus 3. Yes? This one also the same thing. What is this one? What is the LCM here? Quickly, before 30 minutes goes. 5 over 2p plus 1 over p. Okay? What is the LCM? What is the LCM? No? You multiply the 2, yes? P into 2p plus 1 is your LCM. Am I not right? Just multiply the 2. You cannot say p times you put it outside the bracket because outside bracket means multiplication is. That will go that time, that will go this time, isn't it? Okay. So this will go, that time you have your p times 5. Yes? This will go into this fraction, this multiple, that time it. So you multiply by 5 in it, plus. This will obviously go 2p plus 1. You just, and you have 1 outside because 1 top in it. If you manipulate your top, divide by, that's your answer. Even this one also, the LCM is the same. X plus 2 is the LCM. Don't say x plus 2 times x plus, because it's x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay? Yeah. So this will go 1 time in it. Top will be x. This will go 1 time, this one, 1 in it. Yes? So the answer is x plus 1 over x plus 2. X plus 1 over x plus 2. That's your answer. Mustafa? Yeah. This is called, as the other students, this is not easy. In fact, the last part we're going to do is called simplification, manipulation, where we have to manipulate this. You know how to differentiate, and then how to factorize, and then how to find something out of a bracket. Okay? This is called algebraic fractions, and the last part of A will be simplification. But we can't do that simplification unless and until we do squares. Okay? Unless we do factorization. And I think factorization will be another because we have killed all these topics in one day. Okay? One day we have killed all this. So our next topic will be factorization. Because the last part of algebra, the last of algebraic fraction, we have to apply some factorization. Okay? And without that, it will be difficult for us to do it. Okay? So after that, after we do factorization, then we will do complex. We do complex algebraic fractions.
Quadratic equations.
Yeah, we will do complex algebraic fractions, and that will involve quadratic equations. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that will involve quadratic equations and as well as linear equations and simultaneous equations. So I was thinking our next topic will be simultaneous equations. Okay? If we can get that tomorrow, that simultaneous equation done tomorrow, if you guys want, we can off and go back to chemistry, or we complete algebra, we complete the factorization equations. Okay? Then we go to moving formula, then we go to inequalities. Okay? So our next topic will be simultaneous equations. Okay? Subhanallah, subhanallah. Today you have done very well, mashallah.